Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can create Snapchat public profile in any iPhone as well as in Android phone. I hope you will find this method helpful, and if you are facing error that your public profile is not showing and Snapchat just only shows add to Snap Map, how we can fix this. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 10 model here, and I will show you how I created my public profile in my iPhone. And I use just using official Snapchat app. You guys can see here, this is my public profile. So I will just let me show you the preview of my public profile here. You guys can see here I have less than 5k subscribers. So just hold on, I will show you the whole process. So in this method I will create a new public profile. So I will show you how we can do this. So you guys can see here, this is my another account here. I will show you how we can create public profile in new account. You guys can see here, this is not a public profile, this is just a normal account. So firstly let me show you, I will connect my iPhone with my network. So firstly we will try without VPN. So you guys can see here, just click on this little gear icon here. Just hold on, let me click on this icon. And now you guys can see here, by swiping up, you guys can see here, here's the option who can. We just need to simply click on contact me and just select on everyone. It will be, in your case it will be selected on my friends. You just need to simply click on everyone, and now send me notifications. Just again do this on everyone. View my story, just select this on the everyone, and make sure it does not turn this option off. It should be turned on. So see me in quick add, it means that your public profile is not a private. Your profile is not a private. So just go back, and now you will see here, you guys can see here, is no any option to create a public profile. So we are going to connect a VPN. So just go to the App Store and just find here Super VPN. This is not a paid application, and this is not a recommended, that this is not, I can say that this is not a sponsorship application. I'm just using this app and this works perfectly for me. This is not sponsored video. You guys can see the size of this app is 25 MB. Just hit on install, and after installing just open this and click on accept and continue. It will show for the premium. Just cut this and make sure you ask app to allow. You can just click on allow to not to track. You can just simply click on allow if you want. So I will just recommend you to connect the VPN of US, any of the US network. You guys can see here US Miami. So no, not, so you guys can see here, just hit on connect button here, and it will prompt permission to allow or don't allow. So you guys can see here, it just shows connected, VPN connected here. And now just clear your Snapchat from the recents and try to open this app again. You guys can see here my VPN is connected, and just go to your profile section here, and now here is showing add to Snap Map, and just hit on 3 dots, and again we just need to wait for 3 to 4. So after waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, again open your Snapchat app, go to your profile section and click on 3 dots, and you guys can see here my public profile is not showing here. But we just need to wait for about 1 week, and make sure you guys, in the period of 1 week when you try to open Snapchat, you are connected with VPN. Lots of user has complained me something like this one. Let me show you some of the messages on my Instagram. You guys can see, for example, I will just show you this one. You guys can see here Manish, and he asked me to that he's not getting the public profile in Snapchat. I just asked him to wait for 1 week and make sure you applied VPN when you try to open Snapchat in 1 week. And after the 1 week, you guys can see here, it just shows the screenshot that he has successfully created his public profile. Bro, I got it, thank you very much. So this is the simple way. You will also get your public profile in Snapchat. You just need to connect the VPN and just hit on add to Snap Map and hit on 3 dots, and if it shows create public profile, then well done. If doesn't shows, then wait for 1 week, and it will be after 1 week you will check and it will automatically pop up. This is the simple fix. I hope you find this method helpful. Please guys, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel please. Thank you.